Hello friends, welcome to Shell's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make matar ki sabji. You can see the peas, matar soaked. I have taken 250 grams. I am going to make curry out of this. So I have taken this. While making the matar ki sabji, I will show you all the ingredients. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some mustard oil. Put some bay leaves. Put some onions cut up, sliced up. I have taken jeera, garlic and black pepper. I made into a paste. This masala I will put in the matar ki sabji. And I have made paste out of one onion. The onions are turned almost golden brown. You can see it. It's turned golden brown. Now I will put in the jeera, garlic and black pepper paste. Put in the onion paste. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Let the masala turn brown. The masala is turned brown. See, the masala is turned brown. Now put in the peas. Put in the matar. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, comment, share. Mix the peas with the masala nicely. I have chopped up one tomato. Put this in also. Put some salt to taste. Put some water. Put some chicken masala. The coriander leaves. And put the cover on. Give it about 4 to 5 whistles, because peas it will take very long. My matar ki sabji is ready. You can see the peas are cooked, soft. You can have this with hot rice, chapatis, parathas, puris. You can see the matar ki sabji is so yummy, tasty it's looking. Thank you for watching my video.